Hello everyone, it's a makeup transformation video. Okay, I'm starting with Adventure Makeup Concealer. I like this concealer, even though it dries out very fast. That is why I went in with the beauty blender very fast to blend it in. Otherwise it will dry up and become very difficult to blend in. So now I used chocolate foundation, black opal, chocolate, yes. I'm blending it onto the skin. As you can see, I'm blending it onto the skin and somehow over the concealer I had applied first. Do you understand? Yes, over the Adventure Makeup Concealer I had applied. So now I highlighted the necessary areas with the same black opal stick foundation, but this time around in Heavenly Honey. Now basically what I'm just trying to do is to just pop out the eye properly, because she's a wedding guest, so she needs to look fly, you know. So I'm just blending in as usual. If you're an oldie on my channel, you know that my makeup videos I blend, because that's the whole idea. So now I'm setting in the highlighted areas with a compact powder. Yes, I'm just setting it. I love to set with a compact powder before I go over it and bake with a loose powder. You understand? So I'm just, you know, when you blend your foundation and concealers properly into the skin, whatever you apply onto the skin looks good, looks flawless, look very natural. So now I'm going in with my loose powder, as I told you, to bake the necessary areas of her face. I'm using a loose powder from Pond's. Yeah, one of those, they are powders that have kind of a peach kind of feel. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just baking the necessary areas. Baking has a way of making your makeup last long as well and look mattifying. Exactly, so that the concealer will not crease, because concealer has high tendency of creasing. So now I'm just contouring her nose with a darker shade of powder from my palette. Yeah, I'm doing just the contour thing. So now onto her cheek too as well. I've contoured the nose, so now I'm contouring also the cheekbone. Yeah, that is what I'm doing here. Yes, so after contouring her cheekbone, I'm going to blend in powder with her, like, I wasn't doing that yet. I was lining her eyebrow. Now I have a full detailed video of how to line eyebrow. I'll drop it in the description area. You can watch it in detail if you want to. So now I am just blending in with a maroon shade of eyeshadow. Yes, I'm just blending in her crease and even part of her lid. Actually, I'm trying to do a smoky eye for her. You understand? Because I intend to give her a very warm lips, so I want to give the eye a bold look. Now there's this thing I even noticed. She has long eyelashes, so that made me even wanted to bring her the eye, because we're not going to use false lashes. So now I'm going in with black color eyeshadow over the maroon color eyeshadow I used. Yeah, so I'm just going on with a black eyeshadow. As you can see, the eye is already popping, right? She's already having that fierce look, exactly what I wanted her to have. So I'm just blending in. So now I'm just mixing the two colors I used to smoke under the eye. That's basically the maroon shade of eyeshadow and the black shade. So I just touched the two. Okay, I'm actually blending out the powder now, and it's all about skin work, so I am being careful with what I am blending in so that everything looks balanced. Do you understand? Not one part of the face looking lighter than the other, or one part looking darker. So I'm just blending in to her skin the shades that matches her skin tone. Just doing the blending game. You know, for your makeup, the secret of your makeup to look good is blending. That's the truth. Blending is one of the secrets of every makeup artist. Proper blending onto the skin. You understand? It gives a seamless look. It gives a good look. Plus good brushes too. Yes. Good brushes, good tools, working tools help make your work look better. So still I'm just blending out buffing out the loose powder that I baked, you know, out of her skin. I'm blending it with a compact powder. Do you understand? So literally I am blending at the same time I am actually applying powder. Are you seeing what's going on, what I'm doing? As I'm blending, I'm also applying the powder. So just going in with a smaller brush, because it won't be nice to use a bigger brush very close to the eye. The bristles can actually get into the eye of your client, and that won't be a good experience. So you go in with smaller brushes that will go into those nooks and crannies of the face and buff out or apply whatever it is you want to apply. As you can see there, what I'm doing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like this video, share this video if you can. Old subscribers, I love you always. New subscribers, I love you too. All right, now I'm just highlighting the necessary areas of her face with a highlighter. I love this highlighter because it has like kind of a double shade. Yeah, so I'm also highlighting in just like more of a tear dot just in the eye, using the same highlighter to give a tear dot so that the eye can give that, you know, open look. So now I'm just going in with a lip gloss. Yeah, the lip gloss now has kind of a pigmentation in it. So literally what I got this lip gloss, I think when I traveled to Jos. It's actually a lip gloss, but guess what, it has a staining effect. Sure, you understand? So I love the lip gloss. It gives you this nude and warm feel on the lips. Yes, so that is what I'm using. I said I was going to give a nude lips, so I am achieving that with this lip gloss. And then there's something about the lip gloss again, it still has a mattifying feel. Funny enough, it's glossy, but it can last on your lips the whole day. I'm telling you, even if you eat or drink water, it's not going to go off. It's just there. So I'm just I'm using a brush to put it in properly. So now I'm highlighting her cheekbone after using blush. I actually used blush before highlighting. Sorry, that clip was off. I used the blush first, and then I'm highlighting over the blush. Yes, so this is it here. So I'm using Huda Beauty mascara to just stretch her eyelashes. Can you see? Even with her eyelashes, she looks beautiful. So this is the finished look without false lashes. She has really long lashes naturally of her own. I was admiring her. So this is the final look, our wedding guest transformation. Yes, and I was so happy that she came early, so we didn't need to rush that hair. As usual, I love to give my clients a quicker time. Will I say, if you have your appointments for like an hour or two, you come so that we could take our time and make you look beautiful. Channel, I beg, please. Thank you so much, and bye. See you in another video.